Hi guys, how you doing? It's Ryan with our marketing talk for the day. I'm really excited about this talk because we are going to be talking about Proposify. It's an app we use internally at energyhill. We've actually helped a lot of our partners and clients see it, use it as well for their businesses. It's not just for marketing, which I know is exciting for all of our different clients, partners, and also anyone listening. I do want to show it as a tool that you can use this tool really to help you tighten up your processes, sales processes, and whatnot. So I'm going to get right into it because it is Friday and it's been a long week. I hope all of you have had a great week, but let's begin. So Proposify, what it does is it brings all of your data together, and as in sales data. So it's going to be everything from your contracts to your different assets, graphical images, charts, bars, graphs, all that different stuff, as well as that copy that you use that you rinse and repeat with your sales team, or if you're a smaller company with your core group that send out the proposals for your work. So it brings it all together. One nice stat that I love that Proposify is all about is 173% SaaS companies see increase in the close rates when they include interactive tables. I'm going to talk a lot more about interactive tables because you're probably wondering what's an interactive table. I'm going to talk a lot more about that in this coming Wednesday. We're going to do a tutorial, hands-on tutorial, where you can kind of follow me while I actually set up a proposal. It'll be fake. We'll create some fake proposal and a company that will send it out for, and you can kind of see how it all works from an engagement standpoint and a flow standpoint. So with that said, I want to get a little bit more about what is it. So Proposify, again, it kind of takes all of your media, all of your different assets, and brings them all into one nice hub where you can streamline your processes, your proposal processes. If you don't know what a proposal process is, you might have a different term in your internal jargon. It's pretty much a document that you put together that says, hey, here's what we can provide for you as a company. And it doesn't mean you have to be a marketing company. You can be anything from a home service company. You can be a construction company. You can be an accountant. I don't care what industry or business you're in. Proposify can really help you bring all your different assets together and make them where they're all in one nice system. So you don't have to be going, oh, where's that deck? Where's that Word document? Where's that PDF? Bring it all into one nice house where you can then kind of create it, compartmentalize everything, and send it out from one location. Now we have an internal kind of how fast can you do it. Proposify is all about you can create and send in less than 18 minutes. Next week we are going to show you how you can do it, and our goal is to do it in less than 5 minutes. So we're really going to kind of show you how we can speed up that process even more. Another nice thing that a lot of companies care about is how can we track it, how can we have e-sign happen. We actually included in Proposify is the ability for them to sign off on a proposal. It's a digital signature, so you can keep it nice and official. And also you can track if you have a prospective client or even a current client that is not engaging, or have they opened it, you can actually see how they've opened it, what pages they've struggled with, if they've spent a lot of time on the scope or on maybe the price, and they're like the budget section, they're like, oh, and they've spent 50% of the time on the budget. That's probably where you need to get on a call and talk to them about, hey, what questions, what challenges are you having? So it's a very good tool for that. We've also used this for schools. So it has a wide plethora of uses. So I just want to kind of keep that in mind. You can have this for a non-disclosure agreement where you just have them sign off, and there's no money involved with that, but it's a non-disclosure agreement that you could have individuals or companies sign. Features we love, custom branded templates. You can make it custom branded for you. We do a lot of work where we design out our different service packages and we brand them and make them all custom to the different services we offer. However, if you're, let's say, a construction company or a school, you could brand it to what you're about. The cloud saves lives. I love this point. Everything's in the cloud, so it's not like, oh, where did I put it? No. It's all cloud-based. You don't have to worry about, oh, it's on this shared drive, and then we changed servers, or we lost that computer. Everything's on the server, so it's a nice, concise unit as far as where things are at. Again, as I said before, the digital sign-off is beautiful, where you can have, that capture of where it's signed off. But there is a feature that really I love most, and that is how it integrates with other apps. So it is not necessarily a CRM. It's not a customer relationship management software. We are, as you guys that we mentioned before, we're a HubSpot partner. And next week, Wednesday, we're going to be talking about how you can take proposals and Proposify and literally integrate them into your CRM. And it's not just for Proposify, for HubSpot, but we're going to be talking about HubSpot. But you can take your CRM and really have the Proposifys. When you send it, it can move it in your sales pipeline from sent. And then when they accept it, when they win the proposal, it moves it to the win column. So you can kind of track, or loss, but you can kind of have a lot of engagement from the proposal standpoint all the way through to the close, and in a sense starting to build your customer relationship management processes and cycles and workflows. So next week we are going to be on Wednesday, we're going to be talking about HubSpot and how you can take the front facing, the proposal when you send it out, and then integrate it with HubSpot and have a nice full, really a closed, nice system where everything's cloud-based and you really have that engagement with your customers. Okay. In the bottom, I do have 800-959-1910. If you do have questions before next week or you just can't wait, please make sure you follow us. We are in the heart of Land O'Lakes. That's a little north of Tampa, and we're willing to jump on a call and kind of help you, even if it's just, hey, we want to talk to you about our sales process and how it's not working or how it's working great and how we need more people, what have you. So we would love to help you with tightening up these processes, because to be honest, we love giving back to our community, and we know that in some cases you might have great lead gen, you might have a lot of leads coming in, but the proposals and the CRM, it's all confusing, and you need to tighten up that process. So we'd be willing to jump on a consult with you quickly and talk with you more about how we can help. If you have any questions, that is my number. You got my direct line. You also have my mobile. Please feel free to follow us on YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn. We are going to be starting a Twitch channel, so that's coming soon. Throwing that out there. I know some people are like, what? But it's going to be fun. So let us know if you have any questions. Feel free to reach out. Thank you guys so much. Have a great weekend, and we'll talk soon.